Hi there, I'm Dan Landmann, Dr. Landmann, and welcome to my crib. All right, we hope you do not spend a lot of time here. This is our waiting room. We try to be very efficient, so we'll have you come in, hang out. The first smile you meet is Jen, and then Melissa is in the back. I'm sure you've talked to her already, but you just hang out here just for a few minutes. Look at her, she's working already. Then over here, come on. We have 3 exam rooms. Sydney's working right now on that one, but this is our main one where we come, we'll examine you, we'll talk about you, answer all your questions, and then we have TVs in all our rooms to kind of show you before and after photos to help you understand what's involved and what the bruising and everything like that looks like. Afterwards, you're going to meet with Melissa. Melissa will help you out with all the logistics about scheduling it, figuring out what works for your schedule, also the pricing and stuff like that. So you'll meet with her over here and she'll be able to answer all your questions. We have a folder and it has all the answers to all your questions. It's all written out, it's very easy to read, and it's very detailed. So all your answers are in that folder. Come on, let's go. Then we have a couple more exam rooms over here. Sometimes before surgery, you'll just hang out here for a little bit while the numbing medications are kicking in, but you're not there for too long. Let's go. We have Sydney, Nicole, and Dan, our medical assistant, our nurse practitioner, our PA, hang out there doing all our notes. Look at this, they're working right now. And then this is where the magic happens. This fancy chair turns into a bed. It's not a hospital. You're not meeting weird people. These are the people in my office. So you can wear your regular clothes, just wear something loose and comfortable, but everything happens over here. We have all the same safety equipment that we have in a hospital or a surgery center, actually. We just do eyelid surgery here, so we have everything here that you possibly could need. It's all set up here. It's a very warm, welcoming environment. Very private, so you don't have to worry about anything. And I think the most important thing is on this wall, which says, treat every patient as if they were Asher or Seth. Those are my 2 kids. I'm looking at that every day. So I promise to treat you just like I would my family. See, there's not much more to see here. All right, so there's a bathroom, kitchen if you're hungry, I guess. And here's the back door. Get out of here. It was nice seeing you. Thanks so much.